If you're on a weight loss journey with Optifast, you probably know how important it is to get the most out of your meal replacement shakes. A key tool to help you do that is the Optifast Shaker. Designed specifically for mixing Optifast products, this shaker makes it easier to prepare smooth, lump-free shakes that are both nutritious and satisfying. But what if you don't have an Optifast shaker? Can you use a different shaker? Let's explore the features of the Optifast Shaker and whether other options might work for you. The Optifast Shaker is more than just a container. It's a well-designed tool that makes preparing your meal replacement shakes a breeze. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, the shaker is durable and safe to use daily. One of the standout features of the Optifast Shaker is its portability. It's designed to fit easily into your bag, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're at work, traveling, or simply on the move, having a reliable shaker allows you to stick to your meal replacement plan without any hassle. Plus, the lid is designed to prevent leaks, making it a mess-free solution for busy lifestyles. Can you use a different shaker for Optifast? While the Optifast Shaker is designed specifically for Optifast products, you might wonder if you can use a different shaker. The good news is that you can use most shakers to mix your Optifast shakes as long as they have a few key features. A good shaker needs a mixing mechanism, like a whisk ball or a grid, to break up powder clumps. This ensures your shake is smooth and enjoyable to drink. If your shaker doesn't have one, you might end up with a lumpy shake, which can be off-putting. Additionally, make sure the shaker you choose has a secure lid to prevent spills. This is especially important if you're planning to take your shake with you on the go. A screw-on lid or a flip top with a strong seal is ideal. Optifast shakes typically require around 200–250 ml of liquid to mix properly, so your shaker should be large enough to accommodate this, along with any additional ingredients you might add, like ice or fruit. Finally, if you're using a plastic shaker, it's best to choose one that's BPA-free to avoid any potential health risks associated with BPA. Comparing other shakers. If you decide to use a different shaker, here are a few popular options to consider. The blender bottle is known for its versatility and reliability, coming with a wire whisk ball that does an excellent job of mixing powders. It's also leak-proof and available in various sizes, making it a good alternative to the Optifast shaker. The Contivo Shake and Go shaker features a rounded bottom, which helps prevent powders from sticking and clumping. It's also designed to be spill-proof, making it another solid choice. For those looking for something high-tech, Promix Pro Shaker Bottle uses a motorized mixing blade to create smooth shakes. While it's a bit more expensive, it can be a fun and efficient option. Final thoughts. The Optifast Shaker is a convenient and effective tool for anyone following the Optifast meal replacement program. However, if you don't have one, there are plenty of other shakers that can do the job just as well. The key is to find a shaker with a good mixing mechanism, a secure lid, and the right size to accommodate your shakes. With the right tools, you can ensure that your Optifast shakes are smooth, delicious, and ready to fuel your weight loss journey wherever you are.